share my screen already. Okay, so once again, welcome to the market call this afternoon. I'm sorry for the delay. Let's go to US 30 once again and then continue our move from there. All right. So far, so good on US 30. This morning, I was looking at US 30 this morning. I stated very clearly that I'm looking at this zone for a buy, right? This zone for a buy. Price is currently in this zone. One thing I'll be looking out for already. One of my trade, I use pending order, and the other one, I look for smaller or lower entry that will reduce my exposure in the market. I mean, risk to reward, right? Give me a better risk to reward. So it's looking really interesting. The price is in this zone already. I believe on the say 3-minute time frame can get. So this is what I do on the 3-minute time frame and lower time frame. I want to see something like this, like a box pattern, a sweep, a break, and then a retest. That will now send price to the upside. So I'm waiting for something like this to happen on 3 minutes, right? And with that, I can enter the market and have the confidence to hold also, because now higher time frame is in correlation with lower time frame, right? So that's what I'm waiting for on the lower time frame for US 30 for this particular trade. I believe it's going to go even way higher than what we have. Right, that being said, let's move quickly to US 100. US 100 has been moving really funny. Like we mentioned this morning, for US 100, I want price to eventually get to this zone before we see that buy to the upside. However, price is already reacting from this fair value gap and it's refusing to go to the downside. So I'll be watching out for it. I hope it moves very well, or invariably it turns from this fair value gap. It can happen that price will just from this fair value gap keep moving to the upside, right? If that happens, then this our setup is will not be tested today, and then will not see any opportunity for US 100, right? But for US 30, the opportunity is still there. However, we have some things we want to see for lower time frame entry. For higher time frame, for those using pending orders, you're already in the market, right? And then you're hopeful that it will move your way. All right, guys, that is pretty much what I have today. That's what I've been looking at on since the morning, and that's what I have for today. Fortunately, we might not be able to take commodity session today, and that will be next week because our commodity trader is currently not on seat, not on ground, but hopefully by next week would have like a complete session on commodity asset class, right? And for those that are waiting for that, please be rest assured by next week you get what you want. All right, that being said, thank you so much for joining this afternoon session. Once again, apologies for the delay. We're supposed to start by 2 p.m. exactly. We started almost 5 or 6 minutes late. Right. So thank you, everyone. We'll see you tomorrow for DXY and JPY asset class related, and also gold. Tomorrow will be GU, EU, GBP, JPY, Euro JPY, and USD JPY. Then we gold. Until next time, I wish you all profitable trading. Cheers and God bless everyone. Thank you. Okay, I'm seeing the question. So what is down trade for US state? I'm already in the buy, like I mentioned, using pending order, right? I'm already in the buy using pending order. But for you that is looking for a lower, what's it called? A lower entry. Like what has happened here now? This is sweep, wants here to break, wants to see a break of structure here, right? let me delete this, and then this is the sweep we have here. Once you see a break of structure up, right, then return to this leg and then continue. So you enter from here, your stop loss will be above, just below here, or if you are still, you want to give price better place once you give price a better allowance, you can cover here, and then your take profit ultimately to the take profit will be marked in the morning, right? I hope this is well understood. All right, thank you so much.